means radioactivity can be natural or artificial.
There are two types of effects on biological layers on radiation. There is stochastic and deterministic effects. The stochastic effects are effects which have an increased probability of occurrence with increased severities in the while the deterministic effects are the responses which increase in severity. The difference between the two is that the stochastic effects may happen many times, but the severity of the effect will not be changed and the deterministic effects, while increased exposure will also increase the severity of the effect.
Biological effects on plants. Contrast levels and compositions of those forming grain appearance are present. Enhanced frequencies of gene and chromosome mutations in their productive potential is inferior to reference population. Chronic radiation exposure appears to be a biological factor changing genetic structure of plants. The effect of radiation on plants and animals depends on the amount of radiation received and exposure type. Radiation frequency, you take the genes and the chromosomes of plants and animals.
Here are some examples of radiated plants. The effects of radiation in animals. The effects are same to humans, but long-term exposure will not have the same effects compared to the short-term exposures because the lifespan of an animal is often shorter than that of the human. The mutation of chromosomes and abnormalities in the visual stage are common effects of radiation. Here are some examples of radiated animals, such as a dog who became a sheep, a dog with many limbs, and a moth that became a bug. And we also have a video showing that.
From the very moment you know when exposed to radiation, the cell may become dead. This damage can occur in the lungs. One of three things can happen. The cell may regenerate completely and resume its normal function. If, on the other hand, the cell cannot regenerate, its effort to repair results in normal growth. Finally, an overdose of radiation can kill a cell outright. After a large number of tissue cells have been so injured or killed by overdoses of radiation, signs of damage appear. While some of these effects of the